Hello Inaxsys friends, my name is Fred Bergeron, obviously from Inaxsys. In this video today I want to show you how to activate the test code sent at the central station. Basically we have a lot of tech support calls regarding this feature, and so I decided to make a video because I think it's going to be useful for a lot of clients. So basically I'm going to show you how to activate the test report trouble input and make sure that it's properly set to report to the station on the time frame you decide, or daily, which is the most common case. All right, so let's have a look at the software. I'll show you how it's done. All right, so the first step is to define when you want the test to be sent out to the stations, the central station. So under Sites, Controllers, I will select the Configuration tab, and here you have the time of the test report. So by default, it's daily at midnight, sorry. Okay, there are some options that you can change. Let's say you want it to be just weekly, then you can activate this option here and select the day. Or if you want it to be sent more frequently than every 24 hours, so you can enable this option, and when you do this, it's every 12 hours instead of at 12, or midnight. Okay, so but the most typical option is with the daily message to be sent at midnight. All right, so that was step number one. Then I want to show you the next step, which is basically creating an area. So I create an area called test, and also here I made the rearm every 15 minutes in case someone disarms it by mistake, and and that's it. So the important step also is to make sure your service, like in this case I'm using contact ID, is linked to the area. This way it's going to report the events. Okay, and the last step, basically before arming the area, it's going to be under programming, and then trouble inputs. The third one is going to be the service report test. Okay, so what we have to do is to link it to the area we created earlier and link the input type, which I'm using trouble silent, which is the one I use all the time. Okay, so once this is assigned, you save, right? The last step before this is going to start happening at midnight is under the status page or the list of areas. You can right click on this area and arm it. Okay, from then on, every day at midnight, the dialer or the IP report service will send trouble zone 505, which is defined as a test report in contact ID, and then it's going to report. They're going to know that your system is protected and that the dialer is working properly. Okay, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button. We like your comments. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know. If you go to Inaxsys.com, you can reach us. We're the Canadian distributor of ICT products, and so yeah, in a case we always respond very fast if you have questions. All right. So thanks for watching. Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys.